The onion skin algorithm to find a path or circuit in this graph. The first thing I'm going to do is establish, is there a path or a circuit? So we'll look at the degrees of all the vertices. And if I find any that are odd, if I find two that are odd, of course that means there's a path. And we've talked about that in other videos about why that makes sense. If there are more than two odd vertices in this, there's no path or circuit. If there are all even degreed vertices, which so far there seems to be, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we have a circuit. So you just want to check that first, and it's looking good so far. We might have a circuit here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2. I'm almost done. Just keep marking it. You can mark it with me or pause it and see if we do have the same actual degree findings for every vertex here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it's 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. Okay, ran out of room there. This one's 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, these are all, this is 4 in the middle, 4 here, 4 there, 4, 4. I forgot to label this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so they're all even, so there is a circuit to be found. So how do we do that? We want to pick one of the vertices. I'm going to start on the left here, and we're going to basically travel along until we end up back at this vertex. We're going to form a circuit, and it makes the most sense, I think, to actually travel along the outer perimeter of your shape. So here we go. We're traveling along, and it's not a random walk so much as it is an attempt to just travel the perimeter of the shape and make sure we don't miss any edges on the outside border. Keep going. Here I've already traveled down here, and my goal is just to travel the outside perimeter, and I've done it. Now I found a circuit. I didn't find an eulerian circuit or a complete circuit, but I've gotten started. Now the onion skin algorithm then says, okay, well, go again, right? And look at for the first vertex, and here it is, where you miss some edges. So we missed these edges in here, so travel along these. And here, you don't have to worry so much about actually hitting every single edge that you missed, but I think that I'm going to try. I think I can do it. That's the thing that's cool with the algorithm. You don't have to think about hitting every edge or how you're going to do it. You just have to travel in this way that we're doing right now, and eventually you will hit every edge. And here, I'm actually going to run into an issue almost. But there we go. See how I weaved out there, and then back here. So that was a tough little route. I want to rewind that and see how I did it. But I managed to work in all these edges here. What does that mean? Well, I made a better circuit. Now, I would start, I'm going to highlight the starting point here. This is my start point. I go along, and then when I reach this vertex, I travel the road that I just formed in here, and I hit all these blue edges, and then I come back to this edge right here. And then I continue along the green circuit. And now it's a better circuit, but there's still a bunch of edges that I missed. So I go along, travel the blue edges, come back here, green, include everything so far. Oh, missed some edges here. So let me grab those now. So this, I'm basically picking up edges along the way. So 1, 2, 3, come back here. And now I continue along the green path. And now I pick these up. 1. And in this way, I'm actually able to start narrowing down the amount of edges that are left. Keep going. Grab these edges here. These aren't as friendly, but I think we can handle it. If we go along, right? I think I can go up here, back down, here, 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 back up and back down. And there's other ways to get through that sequence, but now I'm almost done. I'm traveling on the green path. I want to hit these edges now. So I hit these, 1, down here, and down here. And I missed some, but don't worry. As I go along the green circuit, I'm going to come here, and then I can hit them then. 1, 2, 3. And now I found an eulerian circuit. And all this color coding, all this stuff really just means start here. Go along our original green path. When you reach this vertex, travel the blue edges that end you back here. And then keep going along the green path. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And now when you reach this vertex, travel the pink path, mini circuit, and then come back here. to this vertice. Keep going along the original circuit you found. Travel along this turquoise triangle. Keep going on the green path. Travel this pink circuit right here. Keep going on the green circuit. Travel the purple circuit. Keep going, travel the red circuit. Keep going on the green all the way till you come back to the original vertex you started from. So this process is layering. No matter how you break it down, eventually it will help you construct an eulerian circuit. All right, hope that helped.